Is your car making funny noises again? You're not alone. Tough times are forcing more people to keep their cars for longer stretches. So picking the right mechanic is key to protecting one of the biggest investments you'll make. Here are a few things to keep in mind. First, compare dealerships with independent repair shops. Dealers are likely to use original manufacturer's parts, while independents have the option to use generics. That can save a few dollars, but it always doesn't come down to the dollar amount. You need to consider the capabilities of your mechanic. Dealers are often better equipped to deal with newer, computer-laden vehicles. They have the proper tools and training. And finally, if your car is still under a manufacturer's warranty, be aware that you could void the warranty by going to an independent repair shop. So dig that owner's manual out of the glove box, read it, and make some sound decisions. You could save big in the long run. You can now follow AP Personal Finance on Twitter at twitter.com/AP Personal Fin.